The only other sound's the sweep of easy wind.
Oh dear. Can you see inside that chassis leg? All the way. All the way. It's full of nuts. Let's get them out. Let's get the vacuum in there somehow, if I can get the nozzle to fit. Check it out, the nut central. Expect to see a dead mouse in there. Can we see a dead mouse or not? Anything? Okay, ready to go. Okay, I think might have just one. No, I think that's it, that's the hose. We've got most of them there. I think maybe one survived. Let's clean it out, I think. Oh no, actually we're at the wrong place. I was in the wrong zone, there we go. Clean, man. I got them out of there. And the cat is not happy, he's found no mice. He's showing his disapproval that there's no mice in the chassis rails for him to eat. Oh dear. No one will go there just yet. Anyway, one thing at a time. Yeah, there you go. Patented hazelnut extraction system, fully operational. Okay, we're doing the inner skin of the B pillar, repairing that because it was pretty rotten, and I had this inner skin anyway, so I thought I might as well use it. Could have patched up the other one, it looked a bit rough, so I've taken it out. Unfortunately, I haven't got the whole inner skin, so I've still got damage up the top there. So I could always get another piece, quite easily fit that. Only working on the lower end of the car at the moment, so whilst I know it'd be ideal to get the whole section, it's not really a big deal to weld another piece in there. I was thinking of repairing these holes, plating and repairing that hole. It's not a difficult shape to copy, but if I can get one, anyway. We'll mark this up now for the cut. Just some copper primer, just give us, I'm hoping that's accurate enough, you know, to give you the mark. It should be. I've scribed it as well, so it's a double hit. We'll get that cut now and get this in. There's two little spaces, three spaces, and two what they call them, like a brace piece, like a little piece of steel tube, fits over there and slots together. So we'll get that cut and start welding that in. Okay, Last spot weld on the top there. Looks good to me. That's your copper primer weld through going on, just to keep those bare metal faces covered. Just getting ready the inner skin of the B post. You've got to fit these on with glue because there's no way I'm going to balance them as I turn the panel. But I don't know how they did it at the factory. It must have been made on a bench or something because these are just loose. So we're gonna glue gun them on. So they hold in place once it's on the car. So here we go. Can't weld to shit music like that.
Number one. It's pretty incredible. This last time we checked, the X Factor winners now.
Don't want to know about X Factor either. Don't want adverts. Bit of classical, can't go wrong. Classical and welding sorted. Whoa! Oh, get myself into my welding cabin. I think I was wrong about this classical. Whoops.
His cheeks are like roses. His nose like a cherry. His jaw.
Go on, get this crap off. Drive me fucking mad. Fuck off. Tunes it was. Songs, I mean. Not tunes, songs.
You ain't got the same trick out there.
DFS for
The choice.
a huge comfy corner sofa.
Double savings.
Pretty pattern.
Interest-free credits. A year payment-free.
Something really stylish. Real leather.
The DFS 10-year guarantee that everyone can use DFS for.
Sale.
For sales.
Sale.
Good sale.
Might be good music, but we don't do adverts. Absolutely not. Back to 6 music. Back to the crappy, ruined 6 music with this weird Christmas songs. Come on, decent tune. Decent record.
And a mouse is there.
What? What?
Hands together. And
What?
a seagull takes the air.
What? I just want some music without any
And
adverts.
the scampi darts about. Your hand and
Fuck off.
brother.
What the?
And the tortoise head.
Fuck off.
And Liverpool were 2-0 winners over Aston Villa at Limited though, possibly until 2019. So there is still an 8-year period, a lengthy period.
The southern Philippines, entire villages were swept away by torrential rains from the tropical
Ah, they win. I have to get an MP3 player here. The adverts win. Crap music 1, me 0.